Hello, it's another tutorial with me, Catherine. You need a hot glue gun for this quick tutorial, and also our hair, a kinky hair, or any hair of your choice. And then before you start, remember to wear a rubber on your mannequin head before gluing. So let's get right into it. So this is pretty self-explanatory. All you do is to put down the guidelines of where to glue down before laying down the hair, and then we are doing this from the back in a U pattern till we get to the front where we start going around. This is a quick and easy method for anyone who is pressed for time and in a hurry. You can actually do this with a thread and needle, as if you are pressed for time you can use a hot glue gun, which makes it very fast. And just a quick tip, when using a hot glue gun you should be careful not to burn yourself, because this can get very hot. So you should be careful before putting your hand where you have glued the hair on the wig cap. While I'm at the top, I'm going to start doing this in a circular motion all around till I get to the very top. So you don't need to worry over the white residue left by the glue, because at the end, after washing the wig, it will go off. I'll also give you a tip at the end of the video, so watch till the end to see how I got the residue off the hair. So now we are at the top, and then over here I'm just leaving a small space and attach some of the wig. I'll roll up and just attach it there to make a perfect seal. So to get that flat seal at the top, I just took a piece of the hair, folded it, and then sewing it together. And after that, you see me attach it to the top of the hair. So doing that gave it a flat seal, as you can see at the very top. Okay, so you see all that glue residue, don't worry, we're going to take all that off. But before we do that, we're putting mascara at the top where we had the seal, just to conceal part of the white residue at the top. Okay, so I'm using a curl keeper. You can use any oil or hair cream you have, and just as you rub it on the hair, the glue comes off. You can also use a little bit of water to do that. And then once you are done, don't forget to remove the rubber from the hair. You have to take time to remove all out. Hello, so this is our final look. Amazingly enough, I didn't do any cutting to this hair. It just came out so beautiful. So if you like this video, make sure you click on the thumbs up and then subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.